If you're looking to take control of your ClickUp notifications and make sure you're always updated on exactly what matters to you without getting swamped by unnecessary alerts, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add and customize ClickUp notifications across email, in-app, and browser settings, tailored perfectly to your workflow. Let's dive right in. First, start by navigating to your profile. In ClickUp, you'll find your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is like opening the door to all your personal settings. From here, select Settings. Now click on Notifications. This section is your command center for all things notification related. You'll see a full menu for ways you can be alerted: inbox, email, browser, and mobile. For this tutorial, let's focus on email notifications, since they're often the most useful for staying in the loop when you're not logged into ClickUp. Look for the email section, and just beside it, you'll notice a little drop-down arrow. Click that and then select Custom. This unlocks a ton of flexibility for deciding exactly which types of notifications you want to receive. No more clunky, one-size-fits-all alerts. Now let's walk through each of these options together. You'll notice a bunch of advanced settings divided by category, starting with task comments. Here you can toggle notifications for when you're assigned comments. Comments are resolved, comments are assigned to you, any comments you're mentioned in, and new comments overall. Make sure you enable the ones that are genuinely important to your workflow. For example, if you're collaborating closely with a team, being notified when someone mentions you in a comment can save you from missing critical feedback. Take a moment to expand the details. This will show you even more granular options if you want to customize further. Next up is task activity. These notifications cover things like changes to assignees, recurring reminders, status changes, new tasks being assigned to you, when you're mentioned in a description, changes to attachments, and updates to checklist items assigned to you. Think of this section as your project's heartbeat alerts. Whenever something important shifts, you'll know right away. You can dig deeper into task activity if you want ultra-specific triggers. Moving on to chat messages. Here you can choose to be notified about direct messages and whenever you're mentioned in a chat. For fast-paced teams relying on ClickUp's chat for quick communication, enabling these can be crucial to keeping conversations seamless. Go ahead and expand the details so you don't miss any subtle options. Similarly, Doc Comments lets you know about new comments on shared documents. If your documentation is living and collaborative, it's definitely worth flipping this on so those edits don't slip by unnoticed. For timelines, the Start and Due Dates section includes notifications for due date changes, overdue alerts, daily due date summary emails, and start date changes. This is fantastic for getting gentle reminders so you never lose track of timelines, especially with complex or multi-step projects. If you're using ClickApps or external integrations, you'll want to check those boxes too. In ClickApps, you can enable notifications for priority changes and ClickBot alerts. These automations can streamline repetitive tasks. Integrations covers tools like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. If your projects live in code repositories, syncing these notifies you instantly about key changes. Don't forget List Info for priority changes in the sharing section, which sends alerts when tasks, lists, folders, spaces, or docs are shared with you. This ensures nothing that's meant for you drops off your radar. Once you've gone through and set everything the way you want, hit Save. Take a breath, you've just customized your ClickUp notifications. Now your inbox, browser, and app will only ping you when it truly matters, freeing up your focus for what's important. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want advice on ClickUp workflows, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and in-depth tutorials. See you in the next video.